Click power. No response. Use non-woven fabric as a protective layer between the screen and keyboard when disassembling. Unscrew the back cover screws. Open the bottom cover. Remove the adhesive sheet. Lift the battery connector with a crowbar. Remove the battery circuit board screws. Slide the pry board under the battery. Apply adhesive remover and gently push until the battery fully detaches. Use the pry board to slowly pry up the battery. Remove the battery. Use adhesive remover and a crowbar to remove excess adhesive from your computer. Put the XINGLT battery in place. Tear off the protective paper on the back of the battery. Screw on the battery circuit board. Gently press the battery to ensure it adheres firmly. Insert the battery port into the computer connector. Paste the adhesive sheet on the circuit board. Tighten the rear cover screws. Power on successfully. Replacement completed.